What's up, YouTube? It's Mike again, showing you this update on my Matchbox Peterbilt truck collection as promised. Please watch and enjoy. These were the first set of trucks I showed you. It was about a month ago, maybe more than that. Some tough ones here to get, toughies. Sorry about the glare lighting. Probably not the greatest, but that's what we have at the moment. Okay, here are the new ones that I got. Well, not new, but new to my collection. All Peterbilt trucks. Dump trucks, gas trucks, cement trucks, tow trucks. Check these out. Variations there. Red and white tempo. The other one has no tempo on the blue milk trucks there. You see closely. It's a red tempo. White on the door. Then there's no tempo on that one. Which are pretty cool. Love this police truck, tow truck. These are my favorites here, the Eddies tow truck. These are real tough to get. If you notice the tempo on that one, then look at this one, has the white in it, which is really tough to get, I guess. Kind of expensive too, but I wanted them, so I got them. Alright. Pretty cool trucks. I love them. Matchbox did a great job with these. That's why I love Matchbox. So that's the Peterbilt update. Hope you enjoyed. Love my trucks. All right. As always, take care and God bless.